which is the other big story that a lot of you might have missed today? India says that the POK is ours and we will get POK back one day. And look at the audacity of China, Pakistan, and now you have a third party here, which is Afghanistan. Because earlier today, what has been announced is very significant. Now, China says that they are pushing through the CPEC, that is the China-Pak Economic Corridor, that is called the CPEC, and they are pushing this through the POK now. So Afghanistan now has also joined hands, Afghanistan that has a Taliban government. So just think of this. What is this kind of axis that is created versus India? This is also when in recent times you had the first official engagement of India with this Taliban government in Afghanistan. And this is also a clear provocation that you have seen since the halting or the pause of the Operation Sindoor. If this is not treachery, if this is not a clearest provocation and a sign of things to come, then what is? Let me now quickly decode what we know about the story so far. Like I said, that in spite of some very, very stated objections of India, that time and again has said that you cannot have any construction activities through the POK because the POK belongs to us. It is the Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and that is India's. But China wanting to cock a snook at India and in a clear, indication of where it stands, there is no doubt to the fact that China, Pakistan work in tandem. China and Pakistan are all weather friends. China is the big brother. Pakistan is that rogue state, but they all work together and they work against India. The clearest indication. Pakistan picks up most of its defense armaments, about 81 to 83% only and only from China. And the world can't be watching this with blinkers. You cannot monkey balance anymore, because if you have China pushing through the POK area, building that CPEC, using the Afghanistan route, the clear threat then is to India. Now, don't forget that ever since you've seen that escalation of sorts that has happened between India and Pakistan, since the Pahalgam attack, India has drawn a new red line in the sand. The Prime Minister has made it very clear that the next time around that you hit our people, you even think of going in for any terror attack like you've done in the past also, this is going to be a terror attack, cowardly attacks that we have seen by Pakistan. You've seen Pakistan, in spite of that being granted an IMF bailout, it got a loan. And then you had some powers who believe they are superpowers who wanted to tell us to dial down tensions, to ratchet down tensions. But are they even watching these sinister plans of China, Pakistan working together? Not to forget that when it comes to Afghanistan itself, Taliban and Pakistan clearly don't have very good relations. But is this a new axis developing right now that India should be very, very off? We are waiting to see how will New Delhi respond to this. But at a point where India has asserted unequivocally that the POK, that is the Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, belongs to us. What does this move by China, Pakistan, and Afghanistan entail? And what does the inclusion of Taliban in this particular axis will also mean? It's a very significant story to track. We on NDTV will continue to get you more updates.